Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your background on your MacBook, so your desktop background. So first you want to go to settings, system preferences, go on desktop and screensaver. If you want a screensaver, then you can click the screensaver button and go through that. And they'll give you different options. I'm just showing you different options over here. And if you don't want that, you can just go on your desktop. You can do solid colors. Or you can go on the background that comes with your MacBook. So like the different options that they gave you. I normally choose one from here, but I found another cool one on Google and I ended up using that. It was in my photos, and that's why I don't have the video of me actually choosing that background, because I did not want everyone to see the pictures on my laptop. But there it is. That's the one I chose, and that is my background. Super simple, super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.